Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you guys how you can create Hermione on Dress to Impress. So, removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. For the hair, I used these bangs in this color 804D18, positioned the Y.47. Then I used this hair in the same color and then positioned the Y.51. Then I also used this one in the toggle front with no flowers, of course. You will need some VIP items for this. Well, actually just one, which is this one. Color the first one white and then the second one just black here. And then we're going to use this pattern for the tie. And then I'm just going to grab these pants in like a dark gray color in silk. Then I'm also going to grab these, like the skirt, in kind of like the same color. And I'm just going to color everything the same color too, like this. Then for the shoes, I'm going to get this in add socks, and I'm just going to color the socks this color in matte, same as the socks here in the high strap socks, no feet, but I'm going to color that the same. Oops, I meant to color it this color. Then I'm also going to get the cape. I forgot to mention that. And we're going to toggle it only cape and we're going to color it black. Then I'm just going to grab some books for the accessories. You can color it to whatever color you want. You can use this one or you can use this one. I think I'm just going to use this one. And I'm going to just color it brown here. And then I'm just going to color it this like pale white but darker, and then I'm just going to color the rest like brown and like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.